Hello dear students, how's your day? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to this learning session. I will be your teacher for today. I am Ma'am Charismay Garcia, but you can call me Ma'am Cha for short.
For today's lesson, you will be learning about parallel structure. What do you need to know about parallel structure? The most essential learning competency targeted in this lesson is use parallel structures. Here are the objectives. 1. Define parallel structure. 2. Determine sentences that are parallel in structure. 3. Rewrite sentences that are not parallel in structure. And 4. Tell the essence of learning parallel structures. Before you feed your brain with new information, let us first have a short review of the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, you have learned about cohesive devices. Cohesive devices are words and phrases that connect ideas of sentences and paragraphs for coherence. They also indicate building up new idea or thought or compare ideas or draw conclusions. Types of cohesive devices are comparison and contrast, chronology, cause and effect, illustration or example, addition, clarification, qualification, summary, or conclusion. Do you have any idea about parallel structure? I have here two sentences. Which is better? Sentence 1. Ryan is healthy, wealthy, and an athlete. Or sentence 2. Ryan is healthy, wealthy, and athletic. Both sentences are grammatically correct, but sentence number 2 is better. Why? Because it is parallel in structure. Parallel structure involves two or more words, phrases, or clauses that are similar in length and grammatical form. Another word for parallel structure is parallelism. Parallel structure improves readability by giving a natural flow to a written work. Let's go back to the question on which sentence is better. Sentence number 2 is better because it uses the same part of speech, which is adjective. We have wealthy, healthy, and athletic. For sentence number 1, it is not parallel in structure because it uses a combination of adjective, and noun. Let us now discuss parallel structure with words and phrases. The first one is gerund. A gerund is a verb form ending in ing but functions as a noun. Examples of gerunds are speaking, reading, and cleaning. Look closely at the example. Michael likes traveling, camping, and to paint. This is not parallel in structure because it does not use gerunds all throughout the sentence. It uses a combination of gerunds, traveling, and camping, and an infinitive, to paint. To make the sentence parallel, it should be Michael likes traveling, camping, and painting. Next is infinitive. Infinitive is a verbal consisting of 2 plus verb and acts like a subject, direct object, subject complement, adjectives, or adverb in a sentence. Examples of infinitives are to run, to sing, and to join. Here is the example. Jennifer likes to ski, to jog, and diving. This is not parallel because it is a combination of infinitives, to ski, and to jog, and a gerund, diving. To make it parallel, we need to change the word diving into an infinitive. It will become Jennifer likes to ski, to jog, and to dive. Moving on, let us have adjective. Example. Rhea is young, beautiful, and thinks maturely. This sentence uses two adjectives, young and beautiful. But the adverb maturely breaks the parallelism. To make it parallel, the words thinks maturely should be replaced by the adjective mature. It will become Rhea is young, beautiful, and mature. For adverb, we have Miss Kath works efficiently and she is effective. It is not parallel because efficiently is an adverb. So the next word should also be an adverb to achieve parallelism. We need to change the adjective effective into effectively. The revised sentence will be Miss Cat works efficiently and effectively. For noun, we have John is studying music, dance, and how to make art. This is not parallel because it did not use nouns all throughout the sentence. We need to remove the words how to make. It should be John is studying music, dance, and art. Very simple, right? For verb, we have she wrote a letter and mails it to the school. The tense of the verb is not consistent. Wrote is in the past tense and mails is in the present tense. To make it better, we must be consistent with the verb tense. Since it started with past tense, we have to change the verb mails into the past form. The sentence will become she wrote a letter and mailed it to the school. Moving on, let's discuss parallel structure with clauses. Example, the coach told the players that they should get a lot of sleep, that they should not eat too much, and to do some warm-up exercises before the game. Let us first identify the clauses. The first one is that they should get a lot of sleep. Next, that they should not eat too much, and to do some warm-up exercises before the game. If you notice, the first and second clauses use the words that they should, but in the third clause, the words that they should were not used. To make the sentence parallel, we should also use the same pattern or the same words that were used in clauses 1 and 2. The parallel version will be the coach told the players that they should get a lot of sleep, that they should not eat too much, and that they should do some warm-up exercises before the game. Did you understand the lesson? I hope so, because we will proceed to the brain gym. Before you exercise your brain, let us first summarize the lesson. Parallel structure or parallelism is the repetition of a chosen grammatical form within a sentence. It allows a writer to achieve a sense of rhythm and order. Are you ready? Let's get it on. Make sure you have a pen and a sheet of paper so you can write your answers. Let's begin. Determine whether the following sentences are parallel in structure. Write P if parallel and NP if not parallel. If you answered NP, rewrite the sentence to make it parallel. I'll give you 3 minutes to finish the activity. You may start answering now. Okay, time's up. Check your answers. 1. P. 2. NP. Mary likes to hike, to swim, and to ride a bicycle. You're going to change the gerund swimming into an infinitive to swim. Number 3. NP. Sheena wanted love, happiness, and security. You will change to be secured into a noun. So the answer is security. 4. P. And 5. NP. The author wrote skillfully and quickly. You will change the adjective quick into an adverb, quickly.
What's your score? Did you get 3 and up? If yes, very good. If not, don't be upset because you can still practice writing parallel sentences. And I'm sure next time, activities will be easy peasy. This is the end of our learning session. Again, I am Ma'am Cha. See you next time.